Okay, product review time. So steel panels. A lot of people already know that steel panels are making their way around the world through China, and there's a fair few retailers of the steel panels already in Australia. Mr. Landcruiser being one of them. We've had our first shipment of roofs, guards, all sorts of panels, and we're getting more to come in. But a lot of the people selling them are retailers. They don't actually work with these day in, day out. And I read a lot in the forums, and people want to know what they're like. Are they crap? Are they going to be usable? Are they Chinese? Is that a problem? So here we are. We've mocked up, we're playing with a few of them, but today is the roof. The roof's an important one because we talk with friends overseas and they're not buying the roofs in America. So we're going to do a bit of a review on this product here. We've got a couple here, and overall they're affordable roofs. Now these roofs, I think they retail at $625, and that's cheaper than brand new fiberglass made in Australia. And it's about a second-hand roof, genuine, easy $1,500 if someone even has one to sell. So there's a reason they're $625. They're not genuine, they're not Japanese made, they're not Australian made. So I think to do the tooling in Australia is just way too expensive. You need a lot of money to get this up and running. But the Chinese have stood up, they've taken it on, and they're doing a lot of R&D, and that's not over. So, but let's get to the roof itself. We're trying to mock this one up. And for our workshop, this is what we do day in, day out. We're going to get it on there. It's not going to be a problem. But for the guy at home, some of the captive nuts don't line up yet. And this is a great little example where the captive nut don't line up, so we're going to have to address that. Now, if you're at home, it's too hard to move the captive nut. Let's not muck around with that. We're just going to have to move the hole. It's so much easier to elongate that hole there, so they do line up. So it's not the end of the world. It's going on. It's going to be watertight. We've just got to address these little minor issues. There's going to be some dollying to do at the front of the roof. It doesn't sit correct. It can be folded a little bit, and just where I'm pointing here, some of the captive nuts, yeah, they just don't line up, so the bolts are going in crooked. So we're going to have to address that. And then they've put all the holes in around the back to have your bolts go through from the top. They don't line up either. That's not so bad. The roof ones aren't captive. We can elongate those ones and move them over. So I guess the main ones are here. So there is going to be some manipulating. If you're doing it at home, it's not going to be easy. We're going to spend a few hours mocking these ones up ourselves. Also underneath the front, a genuine roof has spot welds all along the front. This one does have spot welds in the corners, but they've used a body foam, an expander foam. It's like an adhesive that they've stuck that on there. Maybe they've stuck it on and then added their spot welds, but they haven't got we can't see as many spot welds as a genuine one. And this foam stuff sort of, we're picking it out with our fingers. So when you get it, these roofs are raw, you have to dress it. Now, up in these gutters are all exposed. A roof has seam sealer in it. There's no problem with it being exposed, but again, you're buying for $625 at the moment, that's the price. You're buying something that you're gonna have to do all the seam sealer yourself, run it through all the channels. You're gonna have to manipulate some of these. We're gonna have to address these holes. Again, we do it day in and day out. We know it's possible. It's not an issue for us. So we are happy to sell these products. We just want the people out there buying them to know that it's not as good as a genuine one, but we are happy to sell them because no one else has stood up and bringing steel products into Australia. And a real positive is their weight and the thickness. There's no bowing in the top at all. I think that's never going to be an issue. A few other little key issues. If you're doing this at home, it's not an issue if you know about it and you're aware about it. So they're just not a perfect seam, little things like this. The exact same underneath the front where the two nuts go in, hold to the windscreen. We're gonna have to, a little bit rough with the steel there. We're just gonna have to smooth it out and do, it's not even panel work. We're just gonna have to level things out and pretty them up a bit before they go on. Again, that's just minor stuff. Just want the buyer to be aware. Something else that we found really positive. We're talking to other businesses around the world. We've been talking to Classic Cruisers in America recently on their fit-ups. We're all giving the information back to China, and Sophia is one of the spokespeople there in the company that make these, and they're stoked. They're asking us for photos, they're asking us for feedback, so they're always working to better their product. So I think they don't just want our money, they're excited that these things are popular. They've got I know Sophia loves these vehicles, so she wants to know our feedback, and with that feedback, we're moving on just to improve them all the time. So that's a real positive. But overall, again, for the price compared to a new one, they're even more affordable than fiberglass new. So overall, we're going to use them. We're going to sell them. We want the buyer to be aware that the pros and cons and what you get for your money. But already the doors are mocking up really well. The guards are really well. The upper guard doesn't have the hole, so you can put either badge there. We've got the front bibs, the bezels, bonnets. It's all here. It's all mocking up relatively good for what we're getting. We're really happy with the weight and the way they're constructed. So yeah, you can hit us up about the other ones. They will be on our internet very soon.